think Wade Trim offers a lot of opportunities to interns because of the breadth that we offer in terms of projects. Water means to sewers, to roads, to gas, every element that you can expect from a civil and somewhat of an environmental perspective too, from a stormwater perspective. So there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of diversity that offers a lot of growth.
I think one of the things that they teach you about in civil engineering and in, any engineering in general is to kind of hone your judgment a little bit. Your engineering judgment is what they call it. And I feel like when I got to work here, that was something that was really like, I was able to see how other people who worked in this company, how multiple people kind of practice that judgment, and it allowed me to kind of refine my own. And I thought that was something that was very unique and very valuable that I really couldn't get anywhere else.
The culture at Wade Trim, I really enjoyed their initiative to bring in interns. There's interns in every department, and there's such a big group of us that they really want us to all get to know each other. So meeting people in other departments who are also interns and helping them out and just networking with them, becoming friends with them, has been an experience that has been really awesome.
So going into this internship, I was really just hoping to gain general exposure to things related to water resources, nothing too specific. Coming out of the internship now, I gained that plus a lot more. So I learned things like AutoCAD, 3D imaging, asset management on the business side of things, which I wasn't expecting to learn whatsoever, but coming out with those skills is really cool.
The value of our intern program to Wade Trim is our own growth and understanding of, I think, how things are changing at the level of schooling and education, and just understanding and connecting with the younger staff that are going to be entering into our workforce within a few short years from when they may have started the intern program. So it allows us to stay connected, it allows us to grow and to really understand, hopefully, where they're coming from, so we can adapt and modify and stay in touch.
My supervisors set me up and they kind of let me have the opportunity to be able to make that impact. They didn't just have me doing all of the grunt work or the work that they didn't want to do. They had me actually doing something that actually mattered in a project, which I think was super big for me. And I think that made my experience a lot better because I actually felt like I was making a difference and actually doing work that was meaningful.
I started my career at Wade Trim. I interned 3 summers in our Taylor office. I was on site on daily inspection on projects. I collaborated a little bit with design and assisted design. It was such a great opportunity to get a good understanding of what my career could entail going forward. I built some good relationships at Wade Trim while I was interning, and I've turned that into a very successful career.